Alrighty, so as you can see, more track pieces are ready to ship on over. It looks like the lift hill is about to ship on over to Canada's Wonderland from the Clearmount Steel Factory from footage someone sent me tonight. Thank you for sending me that. I'll link you down below. And it also looks like a lot of deliveries came last night. So we have the chain link fence that came. We have 2 pieces of the drop that arrived. It looks like the part where it goes from vertical to just starting to pull out of the vertical drop, and the pre-lift. So as you can see here, the pre-lift has arrived, which is super cool. So the pre-lift track arrived, and this is the one piece that we were hoping we could have had to arrive a little earlier. It would have been able to figure out the angle of the lift hill, but we now know the angle of the lift hill is probably 47 degrees if this thing is 223 feet tall. But as you can tell from the footage, lots of track is arriving, but they are also emptying this place out quicker than things are arriving, which is insane. As you can also tell from this shot, the storage shed is also almost complete. It just needs its roof, and then it needs the little area where the train will slide off of the transfer track into there and then onto the wheels that'll hold it so maintenance can work on it. So track doesn't actually go in the transfer shed. It has a little connector piece that goes from track to wheels, just so the train can slide off. And then the maintenance works on the trains in this area, which is, yeah, it looks like it's almost done. Here's another angle of that, and they are moving really quickly. So as you can see here, you can also see the clamp. I'm calling it the clamp. The clamp piece is ready to install. So I'm guessing they're probably not going to work tomorrow. So the park is probably going to be closed because of storms. Probably won't be closed, sorry. There won't be construction because of storms in the area. But yeah, lots going on, and I'm super excited for Vertical to start on the brake run and then the turn of the station. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update because I won't be able to go to the park tomorrow due to the storms. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. Have a good one, guys. Bye.